This is the easiest vermicelli or bee hoon stir fry you would ever make. This is a typical breakfast dish here in Singapore and it's supposed to be super easy to make because we just don't have a lot of time in the morning, okay? So let's do this. I kid you not, we call this economy bee hoon in Singapore. It's sold cheap and you basically pick and choose what you want to have with your bee hoon, and depending on what you add, it may not end up economical. But anyway, that's economy bee hoon. First, let's talk bee hoon noodles. This is rice vermicelli and preparing it could not be any more simpler. Rustle out what you need and place it in a heat-proof bowl. Then pour in hot water and let it hang out for about 10 minutes or until it becomes soft and malleable, just like this. Super easy. Then drain it, rinse it with water to stop the cooking process, and that's it. Bee hoon done. Now, while your bee hoon noodles are soaking, why not prepare the seasoning sauce mixture? In a bowl, add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, or I like to use ketchup manis here, some oyster sauce, some ground white pepper, as well as a little bit of water. Give all of that a stir to combine so that you get quite a liquidy seasoning sauce, and our sauce is done. Okay, let's make the easy fried bee hoon. To a pan, add some oil and you want to let it get hot. Just use medium heat here. Once hot, I'm tossing in some onions or shallots here, as well as garlic. Then give that a quick stir fry until it is fragrant. Once fragrant, I'm adding in some julienne carrots. Basically some carrots sliced into matchsticks like this, as well as some thinly sliced cabbages. I'm also adding a little bit of water here. This is really going to help the carrots and cabbages steam even more so that it cooks and softens a lot quicker. So I like to add these vegetables early on because I really want the carrots and the cabbages to really soften. I love cooking the cabbages once they wilt and turn translucent like this. So this is what I'm really happy with. Or basically until all of the water and liquid evaporates. Of course, if you prefer crunchier veggies, then you don't have to cook this down for as long as I did. Next, I'm adding in the seasoning sauce that we prepared earlier, as well as the soaked bee hoon or rice vermicelli noodles. Toss the noodles through, and I like to use tongs at this stage to combine it easier with the sauce and the vegetables. You would notice the seasoning sauce is quite liquidy. You want this so that the sauce can easily mix with the vermicelli noodles. This is also why I like to combine the seasoning sauce first so that you can test out the liquidness. Just basically keep tossing through until the noodles have this signature dark shade. I'm adding a little bit more of that ketchup manis here. Feel free to add more dark soy sauce or ketchup manis if you want a darker noodle dish. Give that a final toss and I am more than happy with this. And guess what? Our easy peasy bee hoon noodles is all done. Plate your fried bee hoon up and you can serve this with a bunch of your favorite toppings like fish cakes, fried chicken, chicken nuggets, but simplicity is best and I actually love this the most with just fried eggs. Give this a final sprinkling of spring onions and I gotta have some spicy sambal with this. I always ask for extra and we are done. I hope you give this easy economy fried bee hoon or rice vermicelli a go, and bye! If you love this noodle recipe, you might love any of these next.